So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you guys to a little tour from northeast side of the central Ohio towards to the Holmes County, where we're gonna see the Amish people. So the world's most Amish people lives there in Ohio's Amish Country, and we are gonna drive from Columbus, Ohio towards north towards the Cleveland side. It's about like 150 miles. It's like a 2-hour drive from here to there. Let's see. Let's go. I'm taking this Dodge Charger, brand new, with me. Halfway there towards to Holmes County. We are going to Amish Country today, and we are going to stop Berlin Seeds in Berlin, Ohio. This name sounds like Germany's capital, Berlin, because of there is a lot of German colonies are there, and there is a lot of big history behind that. Those people are still so simple, without using any technology, and they are really very down to earth people. And let's go there, let's see what's happening there. Hi, so I reached my first destination over here at the Amish Country, where all the Amish people lives over here. So they don't use like the technical things. So they're making their own cheese and they are selling their own products. So right now I'm outside the Pacific cheese, which is one of the Ohio's most famous cheese. So right behind me there is a big farm over here. I'm gonna give you a quick look. Hi, now we are at the Berlin seeds. Here all the Amish people buy all the vegetable and flower seeds, cover crops, sprouts, book spray and dust. So whatever they need for their farming, this is most popular over here, the Berlin seeds. We're gonna go inside and give you a quick instant look over here. Let's go inside. I'm going to have their ice cream, just like pretty made over here in this local store. Let's go inside. Butter ice cream in this hot water from the Tuscarawas market. Whenever you come over here, just try it. It's very delicious. It's yummy. Right now we are at the Walnut Creek cheese. This is another local market to buy local stuff from the Amish people, which is run by the Amish people locally. And then here you can see the Amish pumpkins, mum planters. You can see the Amish lady in front of me. So they don't use any bike and cars. So basically they use the buggy with horses. They shop to go here and there. They use only the buggies. I love the small buggy. country store called Ashrey for bulk foods. Let's go in. To eat. Cafeteria style buffet with salad bar and beverage. Wow. Let's check it out. What's happening here? I'm here to eat a little late lunch at Mrs. Yoder's kitchen. Let's see what they got it in the menu. Fruit, salads, beverages, dinners, side dishes. Right now we are here at the farm at Walnut Creek. We're gonna start from here. We're gonna feed some cattle inside from our car. Let's go, let's do it. There we got this one to feed the deer and animals, but not the giraffe and longhorn because they can bite your hand. Yes, this something looks like a wooden piece, but they are something to eat for the cattle. So right now we are in front of the Amish house, which is very pretty beautiful. There is no electricity. Nice, beautiful flowers. Ooh, so many things. Amish guy. Chicken. We have some fresh peaches, pears, just grown here. Looks like a big kitchen. They're producing something. You can see those lights are operated by the gas. electricity they use just like a solar panel slide. Here we are inside the home of Amish. So this is like kind of like a model to see just how they do, how they live, how their house look alike. Oh, they put some books, apple butter, calendars, and children they have. Nice. Some homemade apple butter to sell it. Nice. Cooling chair. Look at chair. I think they're making here something. It's beautiful plants. Wow. Let's check out here. You can sit down here and enjoy the view. Beautiful meadows right down there. It's a very good scenic view. Feels so good to come over here. Your eyes are getting relaxed. Not seeing those big buildings in the city. To relax, just come over here one time. Really pretty nice area. This area is called the farm at Walnut Creek. So whenever you get a chance, just come over here and have a look over here.